Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Google Chrome internal server error 500 in Chrome browser. This simple step will help you solve the problem quality. So let's get started. At first, go to your phone settings, scroll down a little bit, click on apps, click on search icon, search for Chrome, click here. Now scroll down a little bit, click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, click on clear all data, click on OK, go back and now scroll up, click on permissions, make sure all permission is enabled. Go back to home screen, go to your Play Store, tap on search icon, search for Chrome, Chrome browser is an update is available. Go back to home screen and now restart your device and reopen Chrome browser. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.